Hi, this is Angela Gower-Johnson. So today I want to talk to you about doing the keto diet without a gallbladder. I had my gallbladder removed quite a few years ago because I had compacted gallstones and gallbladder disease because I was overweight and probably not eating very healthily. So this was way before I started on the paleo diet, which I did after having my gallbladder removed. And from there, I went to Weston A. Price as a diet, and from there, I went to the ketogenic diet. So if you no longer have a gallbladder, I would highly recommend that you seek professional advice from a doctor that you trust about doing the ketogenic diet. All I can say is that I've done the ketogenic diet. I did it for over 18 months before I stopped, and now I'm doing it again. And I had phenomenal results, and I was having blood tests from my doctor, and all of my organs were functioning properly and not under stress. To help with the digestion of fat, you might want to look into having things like artichokes because they really help with the digestion. I'm sure there's other things that might help. I really looked into it in the past because I thought I might need it in doing the ketogenic diet, but my body adapted really well and it really took to this diet. And as I said, I haven't had any medical issues from doing the diet, but I did protect myself by having regular blood tests in the beginning to make sure that there was no stress on my liver or kidneys or other organs. So my blood works were fine, and I'm doing the keto diet, and I actually feel better for doing the keto diet. So that's just my experience of doing the keto diet and not having a gallbladder. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.